Minimum salary in South Korea.
한국 최저급여.
한국 최저급여.
As of January 2023.
2023년 1월 기준.
2023년 1월 기준.
Korean minimum salary for time January 2023.
2023년 1월 기준 한국 시간당 최저급여.
2023년 1월 기준 한국 시간당 최저급여.
The minimum salary system in South Korea is a mechanism in which the government intervenes in the salary determination process between labor and management and legally mandates employers to pay salary above a certain minimum level, thereby protecting low-salary workers. As of 2023, the proposed minimum salary is set at 9,620 won per hour. The minimum salary amounts to 2,015,800 won, which is an increase of 961,140 won compared to 2022. When calculated on a monthly basis based on a 40-hour workweek and 209 hours per month, the new minimum salary will be applicable to all workplaces that employ at least one worker starting from January 1, 2023. The new minimum salary will be implemented starting from February salaries. Please note that these figures are based on the information you provided and may be subject to change or updates. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on the minimum salary in South Korea, it is recommended to refer to relevant government agencies or trusted sources. Hourly rate of 9,620 won.
시간당 9,620원. 시간당 9,620원.
Based on a 40-hour work week.
주 40시간. 주 40시간.
209 hours per month.
월 209시간. 월 209시간.
The minimum salary.
최저임금급여. 최저임금급여.
Protecting low-salary workers.
최저급여 노동자 보호. 최저급여 노동자 보호.
If you leave a comment about Hangul you want to know, I will make a video and upload it next time.
당신이 알고 싶은 한글에 대하여 댓글 남겨주시면 참고하여 영상 제작해서 다음에 올리도록 할게요.
Special report. From time to time a person who wants to study in Korea University but can't think because he doesn't have money. We are recruiting people who want to study at university while working part-time in Korea. Basic qualifications, high school diploma, document screening interview. I will let you know if you for detailed qualifications. Let you know if you send me an email for detailed qualifications. Korean universities can be selected during interviews. There are a lot of people waiting, so it takes a long time, so please calm down and wait.
구독과 좋아요 눌러주시면 영상 제작에 힘이 됩니다.
If you press subscribe and like, it gives me strength.
꼭 구독과 좋아요 눌러주시기 바랍니다.
Please subscribe and like.